Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can pin comment on TikTok. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and update your TikTok application. As you can see, my TikTok is up to date. Then you need to go back and log in into your TikTok account and click on your profile picture in the right bottom. Click on any of your video, and here you need to click on this icon, and let's suppose I want to pin this comment. So you simply need to hold that comment, and you can see different options, but you can see there is no option to pin comment. So you simply need to go back and click on three bars on the top right, click on settings and privacy, scroll down here and click on report a problem, and here you need to click on this form on the top right. So here you can see there is no support ticket, so you simply need to click on submit a report here. And here you need to mention to hi TikTok team, I am unable to, you can write this, it is up to you what you want to write. Hi TikTok team, I am unable to pin comments of my viewer or followers, so kindly help me resolve this issue. And here you can attach screenshot as well and click on submit. Then the TikTok team will contact with you in 24 to 48 hours and help to resolve your issue. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.